This is Mallam Junction, 3 years ago, flooded after a heavy downpour. The perennial catastrophe, which began after the construction of the overhead there in 2012, destroyed a lot of homes, wares, and sent many packing out of their homes. Some residents in the area recount their dreadful experience with the floods.
It was very, very dangerous. Anytime it rains here, people find it difficult. And sometimes the rain will carry a lot of people's goods. You go to the swamp there and begin to pick the scraps. The level you see this thing is the level the water always flow within this side. And I cover it so that I can see protection for my business.
2011 I was MSF about but I'm much more drains come. Not more drains that was in November and June, December. No nearby wall near Lenche, you can walk or ye or say, another and done in no yet. She about some problem near every year, can no and what none I can experience any bound to our knee level.
I quite remember there was a time a toss ano. Na cars were hand my obia heavy and Pacono Baba Fansono Toyano. A fano. A moon na yama. And yan no cars be brave. Nti emutia ye pepe mo ye bibia kra wie no yes you and yes I brent e kwa kopa aduane di e baby o na nso na san atoma within 30 minutes na san so anu asan ye ma ugyan hono mo a e keka eda wakokoso.
But the situation changed after the construction of a storm drain by the Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources under the Greater Accra Metropolitan Assembly Sanitation Project. An engineer of the project walks us through the details of their work there.
Previously, there is a stream crossing the river at this Mallam Junction. The earlier construction provided for three 1.2 pipe culverts. The capacity of the pipe culvert is such that it cannot discharge enough water quickly for the place to be dry. So always there are accumulation of water upstream. Gamma came in, they did studies and they came in and realized that they have to do something about the situation. So they provided two cell block culvert. I mean the previous, it used to be 2.5 by 3.5 double cell. That is what has been placed here. And then so far we have everything under control. The work is in two phases. The first phase is provision of concrete line drain, rectangular drain. You can see the construction of the concrete ongoing. That one is directly under the Gamma project. The other project where highway came in was when they were crossing the road with the culverts. We came in to give them the oversight responsibility, the supervision, so that everything is done according to our standards.
In the aftermath of the installation of the drains, residents could not hide their pleasure at the end of their yearly ordeal.
Ever you started this work, we have never seen any flood here again.
If you get drain there now, constructed
Filling station to my right is one of the many businesses that have been negatively affected by the perennial flooding that occurs here at Mallam Junction. It is hoped that moving forward, a lot of effort will be put into feasibility studies when projects like the overhead right behind me are undertaken. For City News, my name is Michael Obudu.